Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down, focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down.
Just finished gym and look who we got here. Yo, Arma, I'm recording my video. You can't be on it.
That's okay.
You got Varma here. Bye, man.
Bye.
So that was Varma. We worked out together. Anyways, today I wanted to speak about, you know, I wanted to give you a gym wisdom actually. What exactly do I mean by gym wisdom? What has gym taught me? So when I speak about callousing the mind, what I actually mean is when people undergo mental pain or, you know, mental suffering or psychological suffering, that's because they have never gone through something so intense. So that specific emotion overrules them and they feel like it's way too much. And obviously it's way too much when you experience anything for the first time, which is unpleasant. It's going to, you know, seem like the biggest fucking problem in your life. But so here is where gym kicks in. What I do in the gym, I put myself in such a position where I go through intense physical torture. But again, this torture is a self-made choice which I made. So I undergo a shitload of torture in the gym. When I say torture, there's physical pain involved. When I say muscle soreness, is just not, you know, one day soreness. At this moment when I'm speaking, I've got back pain, and this back pain is to such an extent like laughing or coughing or smiling, sitting down to take a dump hurts. When you undergo through intense shit like this, where every single part of your body is paining, even to move your head left or right, you know, create some certain amount of, I would say, immunity to pain itself. That's the whole concept of David Goggins, can't hurt me. How David Goggins did was he put himself through uncomfortable situations where, you know, there was a lot of physical pain. Through this pain, he made sure that his mind was used to some suffering like this. So this is where gym wisdom also kicks in. In the gym, I replay situations. I've told this before. I replay situations in my life which I think were not favorable or which were not good for me, and then I go all out in the gym. So when I do that, there's already shitload of physical pain. So now you may come to this conclusion, or you may get this question like, how the fuck is physical pain even related to mental pain? Just give me a second, I'm taking a right turn. So yeah, now you may even have a question that how the fuck is physical pain related to mental pain or psychological pain? Well, you know, when you undergo through intense amount of pain, when your body has already experienced intense amount of pain through physical torture or physical exercises, it's already used to it. So when you compare your mental pain or your psychological pain, on what basis are you comparing? I compare it to the torture I go through in the gym. So when I compare it to that, the mental pain or the psychological pain is practically nothing. So when I do that, I'm literally callousing my mind. So yeah, that's the whole concept. Gym wisdom, again, putting myself through physical pain to such an extent that my body is used to it. Why? Again, so that when I compare my psychological or mental pains, it is literally nothing when I compare it with my physical pain. So this kind of helps me callous my mind. So right now I have to take a reverse, and this parking is freaking narrow. So I'll be, you know, concentrating more on that. But yeah, that's the whole concept, man. Gym wisdom, you've seen Varma. He's also been working out with me for The past 1 month, his body has increased insane amounts. And we have Ritik, who's about to finish 75 hard challenge, and that dude started getting abs. He's so happy, and even I'm so happy to see him get abs, because I know how much he wanted it. Yeah, I'll just end the video because I'm not able to do two things at the same fucking time.